Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make crab craft. First, gather your materials. You'll need construction paper in vibrant red, orange, or even brown for the crab's body. Don't forget your trusty scissors, some glue, and those fun googly eyes to bring your crab to life. Also, grab a few pipe cleaners for the legs and a marker for drawing details. Let's get started on this fun project. Now let's create the main body of your crab. Take your construction paper and cut out 2 circles, one slightly larger than the other. Fold the larger circle in half. This will form the crab's main shell. Next, cut 2 smaller oval shapes for the claws. These can be a bit wider at one end. Glue these claws onto the folded body piece, making sure they extend outwards. You're doing great. It's time to give our crab some legs and eyes. Take your pipe cleaners and cut 8 pieces, each approximately 3 inches long. Bend each piece slightly to give it a natural leg-like curve. Now, carefully glue 4 legs onto each side of the crab's body, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Finally, attach 2 googly eyes to the top of the crab's folded body. Your crab is really taking shape. To complete your adorable crab craft, grab your marker and draw a friendly smile just below the googly eyes. You can also add small lines or details to the claws if you like, giving them more character. Make sure to let all the glue dry completely, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes before you move your crab. Now, you can proudly display your handmade crab. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.